And I always sing this for my brothers and sisters who've passed away in a uniform. So this is called the Soldier Trilogy. Apparently we're being watched. That's a good thing, dude. Thank you. How you doing? I'm just gonna wait for Matt.
That's funny. Everyone stops and looks. That was kind of suspicious.
This is one of the upsides of playing outdoors, is we have to tune up just a little bit more frequently.
Yeah, it's probably like looking in our pockets.
Soldier boy, oh soldier boy, your mother's hope and father's joy. If they could just see you today, they'd fall down on their knees and pray. Soldier boy, soldier boy, soldier boy, you hunt at night.